Hello students, welcome to your software engineering class. In the previous class, I have discussed about different interface and its characteristic. And the last class I have discussed about component based GUI development. In component based GUI development, the developer use different wizard to develop a good user interface. So in this video session, I will discuss about some generic widgets that are used to develop user interface. So let's start. Contents of this video are a review of last lecture, types of widget. In types of widget, I will discuss about label, container, pop-up and pull-down menu, dialog box, push button and radio button. Motif and Visual Basic and Visual C++ environment. So let's start. So in this unit, I have discussed about interface and its types. There are three main type of interface like command language interface, menu based interface and iconic interface. Most software products use a combination of all three types, and different category of user prefer different types of interface. Like the experienced user always like to work in command language interface, and the occasional or new user prefer the menu based or iconic interface. We discussed the basic concept associated with window management system. Means in GUI development, we discussed the window management system, and the window management system consists of window manager and window system. We also discuss about the concept of widgets. Widgets means window objects that helps us to develop the user interface, the basic building blocks in a GUI design. Then types of widgets. Different interface programming packages support different widget sets. A surprising number of them contain similar kind of widgets. Means different programming packages support different kind of widgets, but there are some similar, all are similar type of widgets. We can think of generic widget set which is applicable to most interface. Means most interface use the same type of widgets. So let's discuss one by one all the widgets that are available in a programming package. The first one is label widget, one of the simplest widget. A label widget does nothing except to display a label. Means it only display a text like enter your name, enter your age. This can be displayed through a label widget. It doesn't have any interaction capability, is not sensitive to mouse click. Means it have no interaction capability and doesn't sense the mouse click. A label widget is often used as a part of other widget. Means it always use, most of the time it always is to display the text or a part of other widget to name that user. Okay. The next widget is container widget. The container widget do not stand by themselves, exist merely to contain other widgets. Other widgets are created as a children of the container widget. Means container widget contain other widget in it. The other widget are known as children of the container widget. When a container widget is moved or resized, its other widget in between the container also get moved or resized. Like a container widget can contain many checkbox or many radio button. Okay, so a group of widgets can set of widget can place in a container widget. The next is pull up and pull down menu. Sorry, pop up and pull down menu. Pop up menu are transient and task specific. A pop up menu appear when mouse button is pressed irrespective of the mouse position. Means the pop up menu is displayed when the mouse button is pressed, like when we press the right mouse button. Okay, it display the pop up menu irrespective of the mouse position. And pull down menu are more permanent. You have to move the cursor to a specific location and pull down the type of menu. Pull down menu means like file menu, edit menu. We have to click on that menu to display the pull down menu. So in pull down menu we have the specific location and click on the pull down menu. So there are two type of menu. First one is pop up. Okay, pop up menu means when the mouse button is pressed irrespective to its position. But in pull down menu we have to press on a specific location. Next widget is dialog box. Most dialog box ask you to enter some information, but some dialog box are merely informative. Means some dialog box used for display messages, some dialog box is used for entering some information, alert you to some problem or an error you have made. So they may be any type of message like alert message or error message, or we have to enter something in the dialog box. Generally these boxes ask you to read the information presented and then click OK or dismiss the box. Means it have the OK button and cancel button. We have to read the message and do as per it. The next is push button widget. A push button contains some keyword or picture. Describe the action it triggers. A push button usually acts immediately when you click the button. Means the push button have some pictures or some text describe its action, and when we click on that button it immediately acts. Then radio button, a hollow circle followed by a text. When a radio button selected, it appear field and the previous section from the group is unselected. Means in a group of radio button only one button can be active. Only one radio button from a group can be selected at a time. Like when we press male or female, any one option can be selected. At that case we can use radio button widgets. Okay, so these are the types of widget available in window management system to develop a good user interface. Means any GUI interface can use this type of widget to develop. Next is an overview of X window or motif. X window system is extremely popular. Allow development of portable GUI. User interface is device independent. Okay, means through X window we can develop a portable GUI which is device independent, network independent, can display on a terminal connected anywhere on the network. Okay, this GUI is device independent and network independent. So this is the example of network independent GUI. Anywhere in the network we can display the interface. An overview of X window. X window system is based on client server model or computation. X window system was developed at MIT with support from DEC, Digital Equipment Corporation. X window system contain a low level function written in C language and can be called from application program. Means the X window program functions are written in C language and it can be called from application program. Very few interface developer write programs directly using the X window library routine. Use higher level of function available in X toolkit built on the top of X window. Means always the developer use X toolkit and some of the developer use library routine to develop the interface. Then Motif X toolkit consists of a set of basic widget routine to switch the widget together into an interface. One of the most widely used widget set is Motif. Okay, so X toolkit consists of some widgets with some routine to switch the widget together into an interface, and the most widely widget set is Motif. Then next is Visual Basic and Visual C++. Visual languages recognize user interface as an important program component. Visual Basic and Visual C++ provide tools for buildings. Means in Visual Basic and Visual C++, we have this widget and we can easily develop the interface. Programs with window-based user interface, Windows 3.x, Windows 95 and Windows NT environment. In this environment, we use these things to develop the interface, and in Visual Basic and Visual C++, it provides the widgets to develop this interface. In Visual Basic and Visual C++, you design widget such as menu bar, icons and dialog box. Means we have the different widgets like label, text, menu bar, icons from a given choice of list. Then add them to your program. Then the objects are called resources. You can design shape, location, type and size of the dialog box before writing any C++ or basic code for the application. Means in this Visual Basic and Visual C++, we first design the interface. We can resize the widgets, we can use widget to design the interface. We have the label box, text box, radio button, checkbox. First we have the design the interface, then we write the program to execute it. So this is all about the different widget set available in the GUI development, and Visual Basic and Visual C++ are the example where we use different types of widgets. So this is all about your interface designing unit 5. Thank you.